Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30141 and this is the Alien Conquest Jetpack. Now this one isn't really a super complicated build. Oh, well, I'm thinking about it. If you enjoy this kind of video, please think about subscribing because I'm planning on doing Polybag build-alongs one a day for the foreseeable future. And also, I've done a bunch already, so you know there's a bunch out there. Alright, so this though, oh, and information in the description if you want to find this on Amazon or on Bricklink. So this isn't really the most complicated of builds. Because really all we're doing is we're just putting together the jetpack and we're putting together the guy. And so as you can see, putting together the guy, there isn't much to it. Although I gotta tell you, it looks kind of cool. Like, check out all the different graphics. See if I can get it so y'all can, it zooms in okay. But like, check out all of the graphics, like on the legs and stuff. And there's even like stuff on the belt and on the back. There's a lot to that. Okay, so this guy, it's going to be a jetpack, so he needs this, and then we need to pop on his head, and he's just, oh, we do have options. He has like, oh, what's going on? They're aliens, and then you have a happy guy. So I'm going to go with, what's going on? There's aliens. So, all right. So with that goes on, and then it's got a neat looking helmet. Like the helmet has some extra details on it, like the stuff here and all. And then we got the visor. We just pop on the visor, like so. And now we got to build this jetpack. So for the jetpack, well, I got to tell you, as first stages go for instructions, that's kind of an interesting one. So stage 1 is that. And then for stage 2, we take 2 of these and stick them on, like so. All right. And then that is kind of funny, by the way. That step 1 amused me. So these go on, this goes on, and this goes on, and then some wings. That's a weird choice for the wings. I don't know. For the wings, I feel like the wings should be farther out, and this should not be there. But anyway. I got that. I got that. Pop this on. Yeah, it makes it look a little better. And then a couple of these go on top. Like so. And then a vent goes on the back. And then he attaches like so. I feel like well, maybe he stands up better if we put the other things in his hands to sort of counterbalance the backpack, or the jetpack. So, he's got a gun in this hand, and he's got, inexplicably, binoculars in this hand. I guess you use binoculars when you're jetpacking around. Who am I to judge? Alright. Yeah, he's still not standing up so good. I guess we could do it like this, where he's sort of hunched over. Yeah. He stands up then, but I guess he's also pressing against the ground. Alright, so it's interesting. I mean, it's like it's a neat idea, but I feel like the jetpack needs a little more work. What do y'all think? I mean, I think it's a nifty little set, but yeah, I don't know. Extra piece. They gave you another one of the face shield things. I don't know. tell you what, though, actually, for a couple of bucks, though, it's kind of a fun little thing. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.